Hey guys, what is up guys? What do you do? As you know, this is your girl E checking in, and in today's video you guys, I am unboxing this Power XL Vortex air fryer. Okay, and this is not the plus one, it's just the little one. So let me get the box open, y'all. While I'm doing that, if you are new here, consider to subscribe, share the video, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell your grandma, tell your brother, tell your sister, tell anybody, okay? Be sure to share my video with everyone in the world, okay, you guys? And welcome back to all my babies. Alright, you guys, so right now we're gonna just got the box open, and be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, okay? And the most important part, y'all, don't leave without clicking that little bell. Click that little bell, okay? That way every time I do upload, you guys won't miss any vid from your girl, any video. YouTube will notify you every single time your girl do upload, okay? Because sometimes YouTube did not share the video, you feel me? So be sure you click that little bell and hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get into this video, y'all. So as you can see, this is it right here. Alright, I'm showing you guys. I already said all this stuff. So basically your girl gonna be unboxing that for the first time, because I never had an air fryer before. So I have, like I said, the small one, and yeah, let's go ahead and speed this up, y'all. Oh yeah, I was just turning the box, you guys, and you don't need no oil, or you can add oil, you know, to cook your fries, like a drizzle, you feel me? Just a little drop of oil, like they're showing you. You could do anything in this little bad boy right there. So say hi, girl. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into this video. Here I am. About time I am done opening this box, you guys. But yeah, so this is it, you guys. It is really small. It doesn't take a lot of space, and this bad boy is also, it is very easy to clean. It's a non-stick coating, dishwasher safe parts, okay? And you can peel the little tray up inside to clean the bottom. A lot of people don't know that, and I just find that out after I cook, okay, y'all? So yeah, make sure you wash it, you know, before you use it, you guys. And yeah, you can remove the little tray that's inside to make sure you clean it really good. Alright, so you guys know the rest, but that is, you know, it's the cord to plug it in. This is the back of the air vent, you know, all that good stuff. So basically your girl gonna be put this thing to a test, which you're gonna see right now. Your girl gonna be cooking. Here I have my chicken, which I had already cleaned. And you guys, like I said before, I like to clean my meat with lime, lemon, vinegar, and salt. And it does make a huge difference. I don't know if any of you, I mean, pretty much everybody should know how to cook by now. But yeah, it does make a difference, you guys, with the chicken. You know, the smell the chicken be having and stuff like that. So what I did, I cleaned my chicken with all the stuff I just mentioned, you guys. If you guys need a video on that, on how I clean my meat, be sure to comment down below. and I will do a video for you guys. So basically those are some of the seasoning I will be using today, and not the cinnamon, you guys. I had just made coffee and I had cinnamon in my coffee. But basically this is jerk seasoning, black pepper, sea salt, Creole seasoning, cayenne pepper, and sazon, and some Italian dressing and all that good stuff. Then I have some garlic. I have some garlic and green onion, and I am gonna be making some fried plantain. This is my little helper right there. She's in the computer, my boo boo. But yeah, you guys, this is what I'm gonna be using right here. As you can see, this is the lemon, lime, and all that good stuff, y'all. So yeah, your girl, that's what I use. So like I said, if you guys need a vid on that, be sure to comment down below. Let me know. Hey E, can you make a video on how you clean your chicken? I would be I'll be happy to do it for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. OMG. Samaya loved taking pictures just like her mama. Yep. Yep. But yeah, you guys, we are moving to the next step with the chicken. So as you can see right now, I did steam my chicken. Okay, it's recommended by me. All right, and what that do, it kind of take, like, you know, I don't know, the gristle, or it do something different to the chicken after you steam it. Okay, it smells good. It don't have that, you know, that chicken smell. But yeah, you guys, so that's my seasoning. That's that Creole season, the Haitian season right here, you guys. Feel free to do your own spice, your own seasoning. And this is what I'm gonna be doing right now, which is, you know, you gotta blend it. You gotta you know, blend it, make it all the season combined together. Okay, so that's what you're doing right now, just like a shake. But it's not a shake. Okay, so I have all that good juice, all that good stuff in there. All right, y'all, just know that. So this is what I'm gonna be adding right now. Okay, as you can see, that's the Creole seasoning. And feel free to add whatever seasoning you like, you guys. I know what my family like. You know what your family like. And we don't have to use the same seasoning or the same season, like I said, on every time I cook. Every time I do a cooking video. That's garlic powder. And it's kind of hard for your girl to manage, you know, to hold a camera and also doing that, you know, using both hands. But I'm trying. Black pepper. So if the camera a little shaky, you guys, I am sorry. Okay, so your girl is trying. And this is the jerk seasoning. So that's what I'm gonna be adding. And then I'm gonna be adding my good season, which is the one that I blend earlier. Okay, right there. So there it is, you guys. I think after I add that, I am gonna put the camera down. That way I can make sure the seasoning get on every part. Make sure they married, you feel me? So that way when you do eat your chicken, you could you could taste all the flavor. Because, you know, it takes time to cook a good food, you feel me? So yeah. All right, so that's what you're gonna be doing right now. So stay tuned, you guys. I am gonna go ahead, like I said. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention it is spicy, you guys. So you don't want to do it with your hand like that. So I make sure I apply a glove, trying to rub it. I'm just trying to show you guys the beginning part, and I am going to put the camera down to finish, and then I will come back after to show you guys the process, after everything get in. And you could store this overnight, which is gonna be better for you. Oh man, all the flavor will get in there, trust me. Or you could just let it sit for 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and it still do a good job too. The season's still gonna get in, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do because I have to cook this today. So I keep saying it, I'm so sorry, y'all. So I am going to move to the next step, you guys. I'm going to put the camera down and then show you guys what the chicken will look like after you add all your seasoning and all the good stuff that you like. So yeah, this is it, you guys. Take a look and your girl will be back. I am so sorry, y'all. I totally forgot, to show you guys what the chicken come out from the air fryer. This is the next day. This is my meal for work. So I'm just showing you guys how it looks in my plate. But I am sorry, y'all. I will make another video to show you guys when it first came out of the air fryer, what it looks like. But so far, this is the next day. This is what you're getting from me. And this is how it came out. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I am currently, well, at that time, I'm showing you the plate. I was at work. Okay, y'all. It was lunchtime for me. So I'm showing you how the chicken turned out, from the air fryer. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Always put God first. Bye. You guys, be sure to check out my next cooking video, which is right here. Okay, I will have the link down below. Click on it and watch it. That's a good meal too. Bye.